Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Wasn't really planning on this video, but somebody asked, I used this object in a video, just a picture, and they asked, how did I put holes into a lens effect? Well, it's really pretty easy. I don't know if I can just start from scratch, but if we make this, let's make this thing with our ratio lock, let's make it 12 inches. Then let's just take this one per se and make it 12 inches. And I had a video on just like that right there. So normally I work in the center of the page or something in the center of the page, but if I grab both these and go CE or EC, it'll do this. Now I really think I need to reverse the order, so I'm going to take one of them, go up to, because I need the ball on top, I think. Maybe not. Let's go to order back a page. There we go. And now let's select them both and let's intersect them. It might take just a second because it's got so much going on. I might have to back up and convert it. I can't really remember. I made that a couple of days ago. So it worked, but it took the color away. But I can add the color back and put the outline back around. And you can see I've lost so I did a no-no. I nudged. I shouldn't have, I moved. I should have nudged over. I'm going to change my nudge factor. I think it was 12, so 13 inches. Move this over, move this down. There's my power clip. I can change it to blue. I'm going to actually take away the outlining on that. Take this, take away the color, and then put it over, nudge it back, and there I have the outline around my holes. That's a pretty cool effect. I just wonder if I group this together now and take the old ball, and I'm going to make them red and take away the outline. And I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Now, let's make it 90 degrees so it's going the opposite direction. And because I nudged, now I need to make it smaller. So holding down the shift key so it'll grow from the center and then nudge it over. Well, I should have really nudged it first. No, I must have moved it. But we can, if this is a group, Control G, I can select them both and go EC or CE. And then I don't know which one I have, but I can nudge one of them out of the way and make it smaller now. And nudge it back. Now, it's not going to look as cool because of the fact that it's the ball, the outside ball doesn't have a color to it. I just wonder if we can take the Smart Fill tool and change and put a light gray here. I'm experimenting. Nope, it leaked and it went everywhere. But there is a way to, you know what? Okay, let's do this. Let's ungroup this and take this and nudge it. There we go. Now we can add hopefully a color to this. Just make it gray. Put it back over, there we go, and then put this back. And then go up to object order, back a page, and it looks like that red ball is inside that blue ball. And let's see what happens when we put another color of a background, or not a background, yeah, a background. Because the red has no color. The red is transparent. Now, we could put a color around that. Let's just do that. That thing is, let's make it 8 just to make it easy. And then take another ball, making it 8. Select both of them. You don't have to encompass them. Just hold down the shift key and select them both, EC. But I should have moved that. I should have colored in this ball. Let's pick Let's pick black. Take away the outline. Object, order, back of page. Wow, that's going to look good. Look at that. Whoop. Okay, we got to take the yellow, object, order, back of page. That looks pretty cool, if I have to say so myself. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.